Hi, it's Don again, and I've got another tech tip for you. This one today, it kind of falls under the title of a tech description more than a tech tip. But what I've found a lot of times these days, there's so much confusion with people who are not in the computer industry every day about what is this cloud. My friends and family always ask me, what is this cloud, Don, anyway, and why? How is my data living in the clouds? And they have all these weird notions about what a cloud is. So I just wanted to take a minute to kind of explain how this whole cloud thing works. So what we're looking at here is this is just Microsoft Visio. This is a quick networking diagramming tool that we use. And I've just built a very, very basic network diagram out here. I've got a PC. I've got this symbol right here which represents the network itself. And I've got a piece of communications gear here. This could be your firewall or a cable modem or whatever. And this stuff is inside of your building. Then over here, I've put a picture of what I refer to as data center servers. Now what a data center is, it's just a building dedicated to the storage and proper operation of big, heavy-duty computer hardware. And it's all air-conditioned and highly secure and so forth. But data centers are just located at various points around the country. They're not in any, there's not one in your building. It's off somewhere in kind of this dedicated spot. And today, in this cloud environment, what's actually happening is you're storing your data and running applications potentially on this equipment, but you're seeing the work happen and you're interacting with it over here on your PC. Now, how does that happen? Well, it happens because we use the internet. And the way that we've always denoted the internet on our network diagrams is we've just stuck it out here as a cloud, which basically means we're not really sure what path the information takes, but it's moving from one spot to another across the internet. And what we do is we then connect these devices together, and we basically say, okay, what we've done is we've connected your workstation to this big expensive iron sitting in this data center here, and it's taking some path across the internet that we don't really know what that path is at any given time. It can change and so forth. So that's how this whole nomenclature of the cloud came about, is we're just moving data through some path that we don't know about. But your data is still living on computer hardware. It's just foreign hardware. It's out there somewhere, not in your building. And you're just going across the internet somehow to get there. So I suppose, had we started all those years back using a smiley face here instead of a cloud symbol, we might have be saying today that we were moving your data out into the smiley face. Doesn't quite work the same, but that's the whole reason that we call it the cloud, is we're just saying you don't need to know how your data is getting there. It's just going somewhere across the internet. So that's it. That's a little explanation on how this whole the cloud thing came to be. And I hope that was a little bit helpful, and we'll catch you on our next tech tip. Thank you.